It's called the Orgasm shot. We inject platelet-rich plasma at the clitoris, which is right over the P tube called your urethra, and in the upper vagina. So we inject it in two spots, the clitoris and the 12 o'clock position of the vagina. And what that platelet-rich plasma does is it permeates above the urethra and below the urethra and helps create new collagen, helps wake up some of the nerve cells that may be sleeping. And so you have increased sensation and increased ability to contract your urethra and hold your urine and prevent you from losing urine when you cough or you sneeze. The O shot is